The 2009 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front air conditioning, power steering, trip computer, passenger airbag, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, convertible occupant rollover protection. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.